Same townhouse pa rin tayo pero different unit na. Okay, so ngayon nasa unit C na tayo and titignan natin tong last unit natin. So bawat unit is different layout. And without further ado, let's start the house tour. Okay, so pagpasok mo from your main gate, umuulan. Ayan. So dito is yung inyong 2-car garage. Sabay sa likod natin is yung ating utility area and yung ating staff quarters. Andito na rin nakalagay yung ating water pump and water tank. Access natin sa ating fire escape and yung ating air well. Dito yung ating staff quarters. May sarili na rin siyang toilet and bath. Now, proceed tayo dito sa ating main door. So, yung main door natin is equipped with digital door lock. Ayan. Lagyan natin. Yeah. Okay. Pasok na tayo. Pagpasok mo dito sa inyong main door is yung staircase natin packet sa ating main living space. Also, nagandahan ako dito sa nilagay nila dito. So, this is a PVC wall cladding. Napakaganda. Mas nagkaroon ng accent dito. Sabay may pebbles sa baba. So, kung dadagdagan mo pa ito ng mga artificial plants in the future, mas okay na okay. Okay. Ganda rin, nag-complement rin tong wooden frame dito sa kanilang sliding window dito sa kanilang ground floor. Okay? Staircase natin is may low-level lighting. And nakita tayo dito sa ating second floor. So dito sa second floor natin, sasalubungin ka ng open concept layout. So dito yung inyong magiging living area. I think dito yung inyong magiging sectional sofa sa likod ng ating staircase since andito yung provision ng ating cables. So dito meron ka dito large sliding window and a balcony dito sa kanan niya. So pag binuksan mo ito lahat, sobrang hangin dito sa unit. Okay? So one thing na napansin ko sa tatlong unit na in-house tour natin, lahat sila is sobrang daming exposure, sobrang daming sliding windows. Sobrang ganda ng circulation ng hangin and sobrang maliwalas rin. Okay? So on this side is yung ating dining area and yung ating kitchen. So meron tayo ditong single wall layout kitchen. May dual sink tayo. May iba na yung finish ng ating cupboards. Meron tayo ditong glossy na white finish. May under cabinet lighting, dual sink, and farmhouse kitchen faucet. Okay, sabay dito, we have this extra large sliding window which opens up dun sa ating air well and yung ating fire escape. May cove ceiling design na rin tayo, sabay may track lights na rin tayo and provision para sa mga drop lights natin or modern ceiling lamp. Okay, so sa likod naman nito is yung ating powder room. May LED vanity mirror, may vessel sink, vanity cabinet, and yung toilet natin. So, yung finish natin is meron tayong glossy finish design rin. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito sa second floor. Akit na tayo sa third floor natin dun sa ating mga bedrooms. Tara! Okay, sa third floor natin, meron tayong dalawang pinto, kaliwa kanan. Dito muna tayo sa kaliwa, sa likod. So behind this door is your bedroom number 1. You have a ensuite toilet and bath for sure. Sabay may built-in wardrobe tayo. Meron tayong cove ceiling design. Sabay may provision ng mga pin lights. And then dito may extra space ka if gusto mo maglagay siguro dito ng workspace ninyo or table. Okay. So meron tayo dito ang sliding window which opens up dun sa ating air well and yung access natin sa ating fire escape. Yung ating built-in wardrobe. May natural wood finish design siya, laminated. Then ito yung ating ensuite toilet and bath. Yung shower area natin is may shower enclosure and dual sliding door. May black shower fixtures. May black shower fixtures set tayo dyan. Nakakabulol talaga yan. May wall-mounted sink. And then may medicine cabinet and vanity mirror. And lahat ng fixture natin is kulay black. Pati itong towel holder natin. Okay, now flooring natin is wood tile design. Now dito naman tayo sa ating bedroom number 2. Ito na may nasa harap na unit. Ito na may nasa harap na bedroom. So on this side may floor to ceiling tayo na built-in wardrobe. I think ito yung pinaka-master bedroom natin since mas maluwag rin siya. May sariling ensuite toilet and bath. May shower area natin. May vessel sink, pahaba. Ayan. Sabay dual sliding door. Cove ceiling design and glossy finish yung ating tiles, ay yung walls. Okay. So dito we have a set of windows and then this is the view from your master bedroom. Ayan. Ganda ng daming puno dito sa harap natin. So presko na rin. Pero hindi nakabukas yung mga bintana natin na naman. And then dito yung ceiling natin is meron tayong cove ceiling design. And then yung provision ng ating mga cables. Yan sa side na yan. And then yung flooring natin is wood tile design natin. Okay. Tapos na tayo dito, di ba? Yes, may provision na rin tayo sa mga pin lights din sa ating mga ceiling. Okay? Nakakit na tayo sa ating 4th floor. Feel ko meron na naman dun 2 bedroom and isang common toilet and bath. Katulad nung previous na in-house tour natin na 2 unit. Okay, tara. Okay, so dito sa 4th floor natin, muna kung mapapansin, compared sa 2 unit, dito may pagka-high ceiling yung ating hallway dito sa 4th floor. Sabay may fixed window tayo dito sa ibabaw to let more natural light in, so hindi mo na need ng ilaw if ever. Ayan, maliwalas pa rin tayo. So, may 2 pinto, I mean 3. May 2 bedroom, sabay may isang common toilet and bath. Dito muna tayo sa ating bedroom number 3. Ang ilaw. Okay. So, ito yung bedroom number 3 natin. Maluwag. May extra large sliding window tayo on this side. Ito yung access ng inyong water tank. Sabay ito yung fire escape natin. Sabay ito na rin pinaka-airwell natin. Okay, ito yung built-in wardrobe natin. Sabay, may wood tile design na rin tayo dito sa flooring natin. Okay, ito yung pinakamaluwag for me. Since wala siyang sariling ensuite toilet and bath, mas maluwag. Okay, so ito yung common toilet and bath natin. Ayan, meron tayong wall-mounted sink, toilet, and yung ating black shower set. Ayan. So ito yung last bedroom natin, yung ating bedroom number 4. Ayan, pwede itong maging multi-purpose room. Sabay, meron pang extra space sa taas. Tara dito. Ayan, may extra space ka sa taas. Parang attic na rin siguro yan. Or storage space. Nice. Okay, may built-in wardrobe tayo on this side. Sabay, ito, meron tayong sliding door. And then yung balcony natin is kasing lapad rin ng kwarta natin. Ayan. And then this is your view from your balcony. Okay, so ito na yung pinaka-last unit natin. Meron tayong 3 unit. Ito yung unit C. Okay guys, so let's do a recap. So meron tayo ditong 65 square meters of lot area, 221 square meters of floor area. Meron tayo dito 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 2 car garage. Sabay meron rin tong staff quarter with its own ensuite toilet and bath. Okay, so location natin is Tandang Sora, Quezon City. If nagustuhan mo tong property na to, you can send us a message on our Facebook page at Right House TV. And also don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts at Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Right House TV _official. Also, huwag nyo rin kakalimutan mag-like and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel if nagustuhan mo yung video na. Okay? So yeah, tapos na. 3 unit. And pagod na kami, pero may isa pa kaming i-house tour. Babalik kami sa Sampaloc. Pero mamayang gabi pa yan. So, antayin yung next video namin na yan. So, maaliwalas yun. Sobrang ganda kapag gabi. Okay, so my name is Jello. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.